Hi, my name is Andy Muth. I'm with NorthAmCon. I'm the sales manager here. Behind us, you can see a 24-volt conveyor. This conveyor is part of an automated system that will be used to band two sides of a box. When our customer came to us, letting us know that their operators are currently loading their cases onto a gravity conveyor. What their plan is to automate their system. So what we offered was a 24-volt DC conveyor with zero pressure accumulation. And then also within that is a lift and rotate. The 30 by 30 case will advance forward past the lift and rotate. It will get banded. Once it gets banded, it will reverse onto the lift and rotate. It will then lower down and advance once again to get banded on the opposite side and then continue forward. Give us a call. Me and my team would love to walk you through your next project.